push and collect. But I really want you to control in a way na dili siya ano. So, wala itong sayaw, ano, di ba? Laking kayo. So, mauna na ang time na magamit na ito ang control para nindot atong sayaw. Nawa? Watch. 1, 2. Listen, 1, 2. 1, 2. Asa may mas nindot, ayahan na tao. Compare to kanisiya. Although, nag-push, nag-lower mo, nag-push mo, pero sa kanang reading comprehension pa, murag na tunak-tunak. Ang sayo. No? At least, igamit ka o lowering. No? Compare to ani. Pero, not enough gapon. No? Not enough. So, ang atong aim is not just one technique. Instead, kasi hindi magtabi, ako mong ikuhan ka ron sa usaho. Magkahon na kung hindi mo maminap. Okay? Anawa. Again. So, as much as possible, control. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay? Sagot? Na, dali kami makakuha ng mga bata. Sa mag-istorya lang, luminaw rin. No? Pero, maybe, luminaw lang mga 5-10 minutes ang istorya sa anak sila. Okay, but anyway, kids is kids. Okay, so, again, do it again, try sa atong quad, sa atong drills. Try na natin ang mga sayaw. So, I don't want to see, kaning kayo na niyo. Ha? Or else, kung na ang lugha, ang body. So, same as yesterday, think about lowering, resisting. So, imagine that one. Ha? Imagine things that we take up. At the same time, hindi mo na nato makuha dahil karon no. So, dito na nato i-follow up sa tuwa atong praktisan. Ang importante nga nakasabot ta sa atong practice. Ang problema kung mag-practice ta, we keep on practicing but we keep on doing the wrong thing. So, wasted atong time and effort. Okay. So, ang sa to, apply ang katong gahapon. Lowering, resist, send, control, push, collect. Okay? Same process. Lower, resist, send, control, push, collect. Okay? Go. And push, 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 push. Okay, stop. Stop at this position. Okay, go backward. 1. Push, push. Release your toe. Drag your heel. Keep your feet on the floor. Feel the floor all the time. Go. Bigger step. Bigger. Okay, collect, stop. Stop in this position. Okay, now, go to the side. Push to the side. Go back. Ball. Okay. Now, stop to the center. Transfer weight fully to your right. Transfer to the center. Transfer fully to your left. Center. Right. Center. Left.